G'day guys, I'm Ali. Today I'm going to be organising this area downstairs, specifically where Sophie, my 13-month-old, keeps her toys. We just need a bit of organisation there, so today that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be giving it a bit of a deep clean, so if you'd like to join me in this task, then please stick around. So of the theatre room, this is the left-hand side and this is the right-hand side. So I bought these fabric storage cubes the other day from Bunnings, got them in a few different bright colours for Sophie's play area and her toys, and they're really simple. They just open up and then you put this kind of cardboard insert down at the bottom. So I've got 4 different colours I'm going to be using. So this declutter and organisation video is going to be a bit longer, so if you want it to be quicker, then speed it up double time. Very keen to have everything labelled, so I got the label maker and I labelled one box learning activities, sports equipment and toys. And then I started by pulling everything out of this section, and as I was going I started organising it into the boxes as I went. These board games were being pulled out daily by Sophie when they were down at that bottom shelf, so I'm putting them up in the top cupboard. At the very back of the shelf here, I had some personal breakable items that were just out of Sophie's reach. To give it a really good clean, I'm using this Method all-purpose cleaner, which is non-toxic. I really love using it, and this has a great fresh smell. It's grapefruit. These shelves, the height can be really easily adjusted, so I just took it out, measured up the size of the fabric storage box and then altered the shelving height. Already the label was starting to peel off, so I just grabbed some packing tape and stuck it over the top of it. I did that for all 3 of them. One section is done, now I'm moving on to the next one. So I decided to do it in sections because Sophie was having a nap at this time and I wasn't confident how long she would sleep for. So I thought at least if I do it in sections, then I'll have some completed, instead of getting everything out from all 4 sections and having it all over the floor and then trying to put it all back in and get it organised with a toddler around. Got the first half done, now do this half. It's a lot messier. Are you wondering what's behind this cardboard? So it's our babyproofing method to protect our amplifier and PlayStation 3. Sophie kept going over it and pulling on the cords, so we just had to cover it and remove it from her sight. We still do use it, we just pull the cardboard back at the top when we've got the amplifier and PlayStation 3 on. Dave and I were talking about whether we're going to keep most of these DVDs or not. Let me know in the comments below, have you kept your DVDs? Do you have a big stash, or do you only have a couple, or do you have none whatsoever and just watch them off the internet? I'm repeating the same down this end. I'm decluttering, organising and deep cleaning. Let me know if you find this music motivating. Is it inspiring to declutter and organise your home? Let me know in the comments below. And have you enjoyed this longer version cleaning video, or do you prefer the speed cleans that I do? So I decided to display the books like this. Sophie really loves reading books and I really wanted to encourage that. So I had a look on Pinterest for other options but didn't find any ones I like. I figured this is what I'd go with so she can easily grab them and read them. The other thing we've got is a drink station. Sophie gets her own drinks. And I like having it available there so she can just grab them. So as you can see, she's awake from her nap and we're giving the floor a bit of a vacuum. And it's done. So what I thought I'd do is I'd take you through our boxes. So we've got sports equipment, we've actually got quite a bit of that. And then we've got toys, and lastly we've got educational activities, and the blue one is just miscellaneous. I've got some extra storage boxes that can now be utilised in other areas. So the first one is the rope box that I've actually made, and then that's going to go to the op shop. These are going to be stored and that's going to the recycling bin. Then it was time to protect the amplifier again. Let me know you got this far in the video by giving me a smiley face in the comments below. That'd mean heaps to me. Thanks guys. So just a final recap, this is what it was like before. And this is what it's like now. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this organising video. I am super stoked with how well it turned out. And I really hope this system is going to work for us. Just in time I finished because Sophie... If you like this video, you might also like my organising video I did of Sophie's closet. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. Alrighty, thanks heaps for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. Bye, Soph.
She's giving you nothing.
There she goes.
The train just left this town while I'm slow.